All right, hello, Globalites. Welcome to week 3 of Distance Learning 2.0. Now remember, everything does count now. And this week we're going to revisit India. We haven't seen India since the Sepoy Rebellion, the rise of the British Raj, and the fall of the British East India Company. So it is to take a look back and see what's going on there. Now we're going to have a few things to work on. So there's a document that is like an overview of everything that's going on. The whole thing from review of colonialism through rise of nationalism, independence, and all the way through the partition. So where we're going to be at the end of the week. But the main focus of this week is actually a movie. You can watch a movie. That's pretty cool. Now, the movie is called Gandhi. It was an amazing film. It won 11 Oscars, nominated for a total of 11. Also, other awards, it was nominated for 21 total other awards, won 17 of those. At the Oscars, it won for Best Director and Picture, as well as Best Actor for the amazing Ben Kingsley. So there is a series of questions to go along with the movie. Now, I divide the film into 3 pieces, 3 viewings. There is timestamps, top of that. That's where you want to focus in and watch those pieces of that movie. If you want to watch the full movie, definitely go ahead. I recommend it's a great film. But the questions on the packet are drawn from those segments. So if you look at those segments, you'll find the answers there. Of course, if you're taking the class for honors, you're going to also find an honors extension. It's going to be more about the film. So honors students, you may want to look at a little more of the film than everybody else does. And, if you have that optional homework packet we gave out for India that was sent out during those first few weeks of closure, you can turn it in for bonus points. If you've already turned it in and you're fine with where it is, just leave it as is. We'll get bonus points for you, no problem. If you want to edit it, go ahead and unsubmit and then do your edits and then resubmit it for bonus points. And if you hadn't done it and you want some bonus points, go ahead and put something in there, submit it, we'll get you some bonus points. Because bonus points are always cool, right? Discussion question. All right, so I know this discussion question has been going great. And I'm trying something else different out again. I know again. What is actually I have 2 different Google documents. All right? I'll tell you why. First one is a political cartoon, just so you can see it. And there's a prompt and directions with that. On the second document is a prompt repeat again. And then the rest of the page is for you to just fill in your responses. Now, everybody can edit that document. So be respectful. Don't delete somebody else's post. Reply to it. And let's see what that discussion goes. Everybody across both classes will be able to see and edit that document. Right? So you may see people who you don't usually converse with during the school day. Last, of course, there will be an extra ticket. I'm going to add a couple things to this extra ticket this time around just to get a little more feedback. I appreciate all the feedback I'm getting. It's great. One of the things I added was the podcasts, which are going through the PowerPoint and me just reading it. Now, it's as an MP3, if you haven't checked it out yet, MP3, so you can just pop on a pair of headphones and listen to it if you want to go with that. They're pretty short. Especially this week, because the focus is on Gandhi. And so you just listen to them. That helps you. You also go through the PowerPoint as well. All right. I will be here for office hours this week on Thursday. And if you need me any time during the week, email me. We can set me up. You can text me. We can talk via text. We can call. We can video chat. Or just talk on Thursday on office hours. All right. Look forward to see you guys on Thursday. Until then, be well.